everyone! Welcome to Travel Day! Woo! Alright, so welcome to Travel Day.
We made it to the airport.
We are at the airport. We are flying to Atlanta, Georgia, and then from Atlanta we are going to Orlando.
Yes.
Which is really exciting. It is 4:48 in the morning.
I'm still sleeping.
Yeah, so it's fine. We're thinking we'll probably get breakfast like in Atlanta. But yeah, we're excited to start a new vlog series. It hasn't been me and Maddie ever, so this is the first. This is gonna be really fun.
And hopefully not the last.
It's gonna be an adventure because I don't know how we're gonna navigate things together. Like, for example, let's see how she does. Oh, professional traveler. Okay, so we're gonna head through security and we will see you guys at the gate. We have officially made it through security.
Kenzie had to get searched.
I had to get searched, but we're good. If you like this, guys, this backpack hooks on to the back of my suitcase.
Mine does not. I'm really
Okay, this is not.
And that's why you do not have it hooked on the tube.
Alright, well, I was gonna say I'll link it down below, but I think the weight distribution, my knees, y'all. Anyway, we're heading to the gate now. Our flight leaves in 30 minutes. Well, boards in 30 minutes. So we're probably gonna get something to drink. Our local airport is very small, so we will just probably get breakfast in Atlanta.
Of course.
So, yeah, that's where we're headed. Travel day! These are some of my favorite videos to watch. So hopefully this travel day is good. Okay, anyway, my suitcase is gonna die if I don't pay attention, so. Oh look, a fuel rod stand. There you have it.
There you go.
That's pretty nice. Okay, anyway, to the gate. We got us some drinks. I got a water, Maddie got a Coke Zero.
We're to share.
To share.
To share.
Yeah, we're gonna share. That's gonna be our theme of our trip, is sharing.
Sharing is caring.
Yeah.
So last trip was relaxation, this one is sharing is caring.
And rope drop.
And rope drop.
I told Maddie that since we're only here for 4 days, we will be rope dropping.
We will be waking up early.
Every day.
And
taking advantage of those 30 extra minutes for resort guests.
And we will not be going to bed until park closes.
Yeah, we will be the people in the long line at the buses.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're already tired today. We had a really early start. Yeah. So it is 6 a.m. Disney World time, Florida time. So I'm about to get on and buy us Genie Plus. My plan is just to stack them for later in the day. That way when we get there we have lots of options, which I think will be really good. Hopefully we can find something good to eat in Atlanta. We have 2-hour layover. That way we're nice and fueled and
I may need to get some coffee.
Coffee, yeah.
Coffee maybe.
This flight's only about an hour and a half. And then we go to Atlanta and then we have another hour and a half flight. So we're just gonna enjoy our drinks and then we will see you probably on the flight, or we'll see you in Atlanta actually. We'll probably just catch up in Atlanta. Hello from Atlanta.
I already have a blister.
Yeah, she already has a blister. So things are going well.
But it's a shoe malfunction.
It's a shoe malfunction. So we've made it to Atlanta. The flight here was about an hour and 45 minutes. Wasn't too bad. And we have an hour 15-minute flight to Orlando from Atlanta. So we're really looking forward to it. We got some Chick-fil-A.
We're waking up in bed.
Yeah, we're waking up. Yeah, I don't know if you saw me earlier falling, but I'm better now. Madison, what are you most excited for?
Everything.
Yeah.
I'm excited for the castle. I'm excited to see the Halloween decorations are up, I believe.
Yeah, the first party is on Friday. We're not going to it, but that means they're getting everything ready.
For some reason this year, I'm excited for Halloween, so I'm excited to see.
Yeah, I think that's fair. Food. I don't think we've talked about where we're staying. We're staying at All Star Movies. You could tell by the title of the video, but we are staying in one of their refurbished rooms. The All Star Movies are refurbished, and we're staying in a preferred room, which means it's very close to either the entrance, which is also to the buses. So I'm really looking forward to that. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. We've never stayed here before. We are taking Mears Connect too, so that's gonna be our first time doing that. Super easy. It was $32 per person round trip. So they sent me a barcode 24 hours before my bus will depart, which is today. And so we just scanned that, and pretty sure everything else is pretty similar. So
We'll see how it goes.
Yeah, we'll see how it goes, and we'll be sure to let you know.
We'll see if it's worth money.
Yeah, I mean,
I better
it's
get
probably
it.
a lot cheaper than like a Lyft or Uber at this point, so we'll see. But we are going to get ready to board our final flight to Orlando. I cannot wait to get there, and we will definitely see you guys on the flight. Hello, we have made it to the flight. We have really great room here. I'm in the middle seat, so Maddie gets the window.
Along me the window seat.
We have nice little TVs here. Let's see what we got. We're gonna be in English. And let's see some movies. I wonder if they have pizza sneakers.
There's 101 Dalmatians.
101 Dalmatians right there.
Lots of Christmas. They do have Coco on there.
We'll probably watch that. Yeah, we're super excited. We have 2 windows. I'll show you. So we have 2.
This is the thing I broke.
Yeah, Madison kind of broke it a little bit. It's okay. It's fine. But we're super excited. We also have a view of the wing out there. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. Very, very beautiful. Oh, and here we go. We're gonna put the camera away because we will be sitting next to someone for this flight, and we do not want to put the camera in their face at all times. But we will see you guys when we get to MCL. Disney. In Disney. But Orlando International Airport.
We're going
first.
home.
We have made it. You can tell by the carpet. We are getting on the first ride of the trip, which is
best ride.
it is the monorail to the main building that takes you to the magical, not the Magical Express, the Mears Connect.
So sad, so sad.
But it smells really good in here.
You're honking a Volvo wall space. Hello, ma'am. I'm
We're
trying
on.
to be safe.
We are on board. How do you feel?
Still
No. Has it hit you yet?
No.
If you are visiting our community, welcome.
And we are here. Woohoo!
Boom. It is sad. Because all the ground transportations, they don't have the little Mickey Mouse thing anymore.
I know,
Last
but
time
look at this hotel. It's beautiful.
I think one day we should stay here.
Oh yeah?
Just to
Just to say we did.
yeah, just to say we did it.
Okay, let's pull off to the side and figure out where we need to go. So I'm pretty sure we just head to where the old Magical Express was, which is where you take 20 escalators down, and then you get there. So I'm gonna get on my phone because they sent me something 24 hours before, and then they sent me something again while we were on the plane. Oh, they showed me a text. And then you just click and get your boarding pass. That is pretty easy. Pickup time is 12:09. We're a little late, let's go. It doesn't matter. That's just like your estimated time based on your arrival. So Madison told me the camera not to. Put it down. We're going to the Mears Express. Goodbye. We are making what might be the longest trek down, all the way down this hallway, to our Mears Connect. Yep. But we have our barcode pulled up.
I am holding the barcode.
She's the holder of the barcode.
I am the holder.
And
This is
so
the most important job.
all the signs are just taped over, the old Magical Express signs.
The fastest and probably cheapest way to do it.
Yeah. I mean, I'm sure they'll get new signs eventually, but boom, Mears Connect. And I know that they have said that you can get it like day of, like right when you land here, because it says like right ahead, no reservation, no problem. You just walk up and I'm pretty sure you can schedule or just do it online.
I am telling you right now though, besides the mirrors, I'm excited for the mirrors, but I feel the humid.
Yeah,
Humid.
you can feel the humidity already. So we're gonna go ahead and go through our Mears Connect and we'll update you guys on how it goes. So we just checked in and it looks like our bus is already here. The line's already moving. And he gave us free ponchos. He gave us 2 each because he knew we were gonna lose them. So if we get on this bus, that's incredibly quick. We literally just scanned in about 30 seconds ago. So I don't know if we just timed it right. And it was $32 for an adult, and then children are $27 round trip. So not too bad at all. We have our Mears Connect here. We're just waiting to get on. Like I said, we walked right up. Maddie, how long do you think we waited? 30 seconds?
Minute.
Maybe a minute. And we're just waiting to load our bags in, and then yeah, that was our walking time. And then we'll get on. It's very, very humid. You can feel it. Maddie, first time getting on. You so excited? So we have made it on board our Mears Express. Super easy to get on. I think we just called it at a really good time where our bus was boarding It is like a pretty full bus, but I don't know what order we'll stop in. Probably movies is, I think, usually last, but if it's first, that'd be great. Uh-oh, here's the sign. 3, 2, 1.
Now I believe we're here.
Now she believes me. So we have made it to the All-Star movies. Should we walk the red carpet?
Oh, we gotta walk the red carpet.
We're walking the red carpet. Go, Maddie, go. We are going to go up to the front desk because Madison needs to get her Magic Band switched over to this account that I made to surprise her. So we'll see if they can do it. And yeah, we'll update you. Our room is already ready. We're staying in this Toy Story building, so when we get there, we will give you a full room tour. All right, so we got Madison's Magic Band all sorted out. We're reusing our same ones from the last trip. We're basic, little black and white. But this place it's beautiful in here. Uh-oh, we got a Star Wars Hall of Fame. Shout out to my lovely boyfriend Bryce, who you'll see on a trip later. He loves Star Wars, and we love C-3PO, my main man. And then right over here, you have the double feature, which is the shop. So this is really cool. We can just peek in real quick, huh?
Peek in.
Nothing's wrong with that.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Here, guys?
Yes, yes.
Enjoy your stay with us.
Thank you. So they have lots of shirts and selections. Oh, Madison, look at this. Stitch glasses. Ooh. That's gonna be a look.
I feel trouble for my college.
Wow, it goes all the way back there. This is incredible.
I have to like come in and like
Actually look, yeah.
Look at these cushions. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
We will be, there's a lot of Stitch stuff for you, Madison.
It's like they know.
And they know. You're meant to be here. We're gonna pop into the food court.
I can't hear you.
We're popping into the food court.
Oh, sorry.
Well, there it is right there. We will give you a full tour later, but it's just right in the main lobby. We're gonna head out the doors and head to the Toy Story building. It's a preferred room, so we're super excited to see how it is, how close it is. Oh, and there's the arcade. So much. We just had someone give us a really great idea, a lifeguard here, and he gave us a towel to put over our stuff because it's raining a little bit. But we are heading to the left of Mickey, Sorcerer Mickey, and heading to our room, the Toy Story room. Look at our little towel.
And it's raining.
It is raining, but that's okay because we're in Disney World, so who cares? We have taken cover under the covered part as we find our room. We just felt like we could do it ourselves. So, but look at this. Look at Buzz. We got a big old Woody right here too. Whoa. There's
so
Woody. Look at his little boots.
Oh, and look, there's little bits.
Oh, look, there's the door. I feel like I'm on Toy Story Mania. All right.
Look, it's
Second floor, third floor. Oh, this is our building. We're so, Madison, high five.
What do you think I said?
9931. All right, we have made it to our room, 9931. Madison's gonna do us the honors.
And my thing works.
And here we are. Wow. Look at the TV's already on for us.
Yeah.
Wow, we just gotta turn it up a little bit. How about that? Nice and case remote.
Okay, hold on. This fridge is like nice. like really nice. That's a really nice mini fridge.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and do a room tour for you now before Madison tears up the room. You walk in the door. You have a nice little cubby here. This is another Murphy bed. It pulls down. Madison, will you get the other chair just so we can see the decor behind it, darling? And so easy, even just, we can do it. Oh, that's so cute.
I was gonna put it all the way out.
No, I say we pull it up for now. So there's the Murphy bed. Very simple. And then you can just push the chairs right back under.
And then voila.
Voila. Over here, we do have a refrigerator, like Madison has already pointed out.
It's cute.
And then in here, we got some nice organization. We got coffee, decaf, green tea, Earl Grey. You have one of these little coffee pots here, ice maker.
Yep. Ice maker.
Ice carrier, I should say.
Oh my God.
Beautiful window out here. Got a little view of the street.
We love the street.
We love the street.
Close up.
Very close up.
So sorry.
Nice bed with huge underbed storage. A couple cabinets with a safe. There's more pillows down here, which is great.
Pillows.
And then we have some pretty drawers, really deep. I love these. I love the hooks over here. Oh wait, hold on. Let's look at this. Look at, we got 2 USBs and outlets, I think on each side. That's awesome. Now we're moving into the bathroom. Nice little privacy door. Boom, she's gone. And
I'm back.
She's back. So this is the bathroom. It's a little bit smaller than the one at Pop Century. I think that's the biggest difference. This room's just a little smaller, but for us too, it's perfect. Little hanging storage here. Ironing board, more like tissues and stuff. I see a blow dryer down there. Beautiful sink. I love this countertop right here. It's beautiful.
Bathroom.
Bathroom. Oh, this bathroom part is bigger than at Pop, I feel. Like lots of floor space. And then we also have the tub shower combo, which I know not every renovated room comes with that. So you just, if you need a tub, be sure to ask for it. Yeah, it's so cute. Wait, what kind of soaps do we have? Oh, yeah, we have the big pumps in here.
The locked in.
You can't take them home, can you? So that's gonna do it for our travel day video. This room is beautiful. I really like the resort. We were so close. It took us like 3 minutes to walk here.
And thank goodness for that, because it was pouring.
Yeah, it started pouring. But it's okay, because we are gonna head to the Magic Kingdom. So be sure to stay tuned for the next vlog and check it out, because we're going to Magic Kingdom today. But we're gonna end this vlog here because we've had too much travel content at this point.
And a lot of tripping.
Yeah.
So
yeah, I'm gonna try to not fall in the next vlog. That's my goal.
I think that's a good goal.
Yeah,
this
bed is so comfy. We gotta get up. Okay.
We do.
We will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.